Unit 7 decimals. Let's move on. Multiplication of decimals. Here we'll start with the first topic, multiplication of decimal by 10, 100,000. I'll explain you the rule of multiplication with the help of example. For example, 5.3 multiplied by 10 equals to, first do the simple multiplication of 53 by 10, it becomes 530. Then shift the decimal to one place, because here 1 0, so decimal will shift one place to the right. So the answer is 53.0 or 53. One more example, 0.1 into 10. First multiply the whole number, 1 into 10 is 10. Then according to the number of zeros, here 1 0, so decimal point shift one place to the right. So it becomes 1.0. Hence the answer is 1. Some more example, 539.75 into 10. First write the whole number, as you simply multiply by 10 means 539,750. Now according to the 0 in the multiplier, here 1 0, so this decimal will shift one place to the right. So it becomes 5397.5. Now let's try to understand the multiplication by 100. In the case of multiplication by 10, 100,000, there is no long process. Direct by shifting the decimal to the right according to the number of zeros, we get the product. Next example, by 100. 100 has how many zeros? 2 zeros. So by multiplying, the decimal shift 2 places to the right. For example, 53.79 into 100. Step 1, multiply the whole number by 100, it becomes 5379 followed by 20. Now shift this to how many places to right? Shift the decimal 2 places to the right, as there are 2 zeros in it. So it becomes 5379. Next example, suppose you have 7.9 into 100. Again, first to take the number 79, multiply by 100, 7, 9 followed by 2 zeros. Now, because the number of zeros are 2, so decimal point is shifted 2 places to the right. It becomes, when you shift 2 places to the right, it becomes 790. Let's move on the next multiplication by 1000. Let's move on a few examples. If I take a number 55.9 into 1000. Step 1, take the whole number, multiply by 1000, it means 559 followed by how many zeros? 3 zeros. Then step 2, shift the decimal point 3 places to the right, because there are 3 zeros in it. So when you shift to the 3 places, it becomes 55,900. Next example, 5.789 into 1000. Look at this example, children. Now here you see, first step, take the whole number, multiply by 1000, it becomes 5789 with 3 zeros. Step 2, shift the decimal place according to the number of zeros. Here you have 3 zeros, so decimal point is shifted 3 places to the right. So when you shift to the 3 places to the right, it becomes 5789. This is how you can easily get the product in 2 steps. Multiply 12.63 by 24. So first to arrange in multiplication form, 12.63 into 24. Step 1, multiply them as a normal whole numbers multiplication sum. So let's move on the multiplication. 4 3 is 12, 1 carry, 6 4 is 24 plus 1 25, 2 carry, 4 2 is 8 plus 2 10, 1 carry, 4 1 is 4 5. Put across, move on the next place. 2 3 is 6, 2 6 is 12, 1 carry, 2 2 is 4 plus 1 5, 2 1 is 2. Then sum up. 2, 5 plus 6 11, 1 down, 1 carry over, 3, 5 plus 5, 10, 0 down, 1 carry over. Hence the product of the two number is 30312. Step 2, count the total number of decimal places in it and from right put the decimal point. If you see, altogether you have how many decimal places? 2. So in the final product, from right count 2 digits and put the decimal point. Hence the product of these two numbers is 303.12. Let's move on some more example in which you have the multiplication of a decimal number by a decimal number. Children, already I have explained you the rule of multiplication. Again, it has two steps. First step, do the simple multiplication of the whole numbers, and at the end put the decimal according to the total number of decimal places in the two. So let's move on the next example. It's your exercise 7C question 1 first part. Take the two numbers 78 into 54. Do multiplication. 4 8 is 32, 2 down, 3 carry, 7 4 is 28 plus 3 31. Move on the next digit. 5 8 is 40, 0 down, 4 carry, 5 7 is 35 plus 4 39. Sum up. 2 1 12 is 2 down, 1 carry over, 4. And then according to the total number of decimal places, 1 decimal place plus 1, 1 plus 1 2. So in your product from right count 2 digits and put the decimal point. Hence the product of these two numbers is 42.12. Let's move on the next example. Second question of exercise 7C first one. Arrange them in multiplication form. 1645 into 69. Proceed the multiplication like a simple whole number multiplication. 9 5 is 45, 5 down, 4 carry, 9 4 is 36 plus 4 40, 0 down, 4 carry, 9 6 is 54 plus 4 58, 8 down, 5 carry, 9 1 is 9 plus 5 14. Move on the next step. Multiply by 6, 6 5 is 30, 0 down, 3 carry over, 6 4 is 24 plus 3 27, 7 down, 2 carry over, 6 6 is 36 plus 2 38, 8 down, 3 carry over, 6 1 is 6 plus 3 9. Now add all. 5 0, 8 plus 7 15, 5 down, 1 carry over, 8 plus 5 13, 3 down, 1 carry over, 9 10 11. This is the product of the two numbers. Now let us move to the second and the final step. Count the total number of decimal places. 2 plus 1. Total 3 decimal places. So your product should have how many decimal places? 3. So from right, count 3 digits and put the decimal. 1, 2, 3 and then put the decimal before 3 digits. So answer is 113.505. Question 1, third part of exercise 7C. 27.6 into 0.25. Find the product. How will you proceed? First you take the two whole numbers, just removing the decimal and follow the steps which you used to follow in case of multiplication of simple whole number. Multiply it with 5 first. 5 6 is 30, 0 down, 3 carry, 5 7 is 35 plus 3 38, 8 down, 3 carry over, 5 2 is 10 plus 3 13. Move on the next digit. 2 6 is 12, 2 down, 1 carry over, 2 7 is 14 plus 1 15, 5 down, 1 carry over, 2 2 is 4 plus 1 5. Then add 0, 8 plus 2 10, 0, 1 carry over, 5 plus 4 9, 5 plus 1 6. Step 2, decide the decimal places of the product. So we'll add all the number of decimal places first. 1 place plus 2. 1 plus 2 means the product has 3 decimal places. So from the right, count 3 digits and put the decimal points before 3 digits. Hence the product is 6.9. Children, till now you have learned the multiplication of 2 decimal numbers. Now the next example is multiplication of 3 decimal numbers. This question is of your book exercise 7C, question 7 first part. So how will you proceed? First you multiply the first 2 decimal numbers. While multiplication, assume them as a whole number. So don't bring decimal down. So this number is 293 into 24. and proceed like a simple multiplication of a whole number. 4 3 are 12, 1 carry, 4 9 are 36 plus 1 37, 3 carry, 4 2 are 8 plus 3 11. Next step, 2 3 are 6, 2 9 are 18, 1 carry over, 2 2 are 4 plus 1 5. So sum up 2, 6 plus 7 13, 3 down 1 carry over, 8 plus 2 10, 0 down 1 carry over, 5 plus 2 7. The next step, bring this product here and multiply by the third decimal number, assuming it as a whole number, means no need to bring the decimal points down. So let's proceed. When you multiply it by 1, the product is the number itself. Then move on the next step. 9 2 is 18, 8 down 1 carry, 9 3 is 27 plus 1 28. 8 down 2 carry, so it will come here. 9 7 is 63. Then sum up 2. 8 plus 3 means 11, 1 down 1 carry over, 9, 7 plus 2, 9, 3, 6. The final answer depends on the total number of decimal places. So let us count the total number of decimal places. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. So total number of decimal places in the product is 3. So from extreme right, count 3 digits and put the decimal point. Hence the product of these 3 decimal number is 639.912.
Children, these 5 sums are your questions of multiplication. Do in copy. Exercise 7C will be discussed after explaining division in the next lecture.